Let's make some awesome resolutions. Woohoo! Happy New Year, everyone! Get ready for an explosion of fun because we're talking about New Year's resolutions. They're like super duper promises you make to yourself to do awesome things. Like, maybe you want to learn a cool new trick or build the tallest block tower ever. Resolutions are all about making this year even better than the last. Now, resolutions aren't just for grown-ups. Nope, they're for everyone, especially awesome kids like you. Think of them as fun challenges, like leveling up in your favorite game. Are you ready to make some amazing resolutions with me? Let's get started. This year, let's make resolutions that are super fun and make us feel good. We can choose things we really want to do, like playing outside more or learning how to draw a superhero. It's all about making this year extra special. Being kind is like having a superpower. It makes everyone around you feel happy, and it makes you feel super good too. This year, let's try to sprinkle kindness everywhere we go. It's easier than you think. One fun way to be kind is to make a kindness jar. Every time you do something nice for someone, like helping your little brother with his toys or sharing your snacks, write it down on a piece of paper and put it in the jar. It's like collecting sunshine. You can also make thank you cards for people who are special to you. Tell them why you appreciate them. Maybe your grandma makes the best cookies, or your best friend always makes you laugh. Let them know. Imagine how happy they'll be when they get your card. It's like giving them a big hug on paper. Kindness is contagious, so spread it around. Another cool idea is to help someone with their chores. Maybe you can help mommy or daddy fold the laundry or set the table for dinner. They'll be so surprised and happy you helped. Don't forget about your pets. Give your furry friend an extra cuddle or play their favorite game. Being kind to animals is super important too. So, are you ready to be a kindness superhero? Let's fill the world with smiles. Let's go on an adventure! This year, let's explore the amazing world outside. Sunshine and fresh air are like magic potions that make us feel strong and happy. We can go on nature scavenger hunts. Make a list of things to find, like a fuzzy caterpillar, a smooth rock, or a bright red leaf. It's like a treasure hunt in your own backyard. Or, how about planting a tiny garden? We can plant colorful flowers or yummy vegetables. Watching them grow is like watching a tiny miracle happen right before your eyes. We can build a magnificent fort in the woods, gather some branches and leaves and create a secret hideout. It's like having your own castle. Let's fly a kite high in the sky. Watch it dance and twirl in the wind. It's like having a colorful friend soaring through the air. Don't forget about playing fun games outside with your friends. Tag, hide and seek, or even just running around is super fun and keeps us healthy. So put on your sneakers, grab your hat, and let's explore the great outdoors. Get ready for an amazing adventure! This year, let's explore magical worlds and meet fascinating characters through the power of reading. Books are like portals to different dimensions. We can start a book club with our friends. Pick a book to read together, then meet up and talk about it. It's like having a super fun book party. Let's build a cozy reading nook. Find a comfy spot, grab some pillows and blankets, and snuggle up with a good book. It's like having your own secret reading hideout. We can visit the library and discover tons of new books. It's like a treasure chest filled with exciting stories waiting to be explored. Let's read aloud to our family and friends. Share the joy of reading with the people we love. It's like giving them a magical gift. We can even write our own stories. Imagine creating your own characters and adventures. It's like being a super storyteller. So grab your favorite book, get comfy, and let's dive into the wonderful world of reading. Learn something new. This year, let's become super learners. Learning new things is like unlocking secret levels in a video game. It makes our brains grow stronger and smarter. We can try a new sport like soccer, basketball, or even karate. It's like becoming a real-life superhero with amazing skills. How about learning a magic trick? Wow your friends and family with your incredible illusions. It's like having a secret superpower. We can learn a new language. Imagine being able to talk to people from different countries. It's like having a key to unlock a whole new world. Let's try playing a musical instrument, like the guitar, piano, or drums. Make beautiful music and share it with everyone. It's like creating your own symphony. We can even learn how to code, create your own games and apps. It's like becoming a tech wizard. So get ready to power up your brain and learn something amazing this year. Encourage creativity. Let's unleash our inner artists. This year, let's get creative and make amazing things. Creativity is like having a rainbow of colors inside of you. We can have daily art challenges, draw a picture, sculpt with clay, build something awesome with Legos. It's like having a daily dose of fun. Let's put on a play with our friends, write a script, create costumes, perform for our families. It's like having our own Broadway show. We can make homemade slime, experiment with different colors and textures. It's like having a gooey science experiment in our own hands. Let's write a poem or a song, express our feelings and thoughts through words and music. It's like sharing a piece of our hearts. We can even design our own clothes, create unique and stylish outfits. It's like having our own fashion show. So, grab your art supplies, let your imagination run wild, and let's create something spectacular. Help out at home! This year, let's be super helpers at home. Helping our families is like giving them a big hug and making them smile. It makes our homes happy places. We can help with chores around the house like making our beds, tidying up our rooms, or even washing the dishes. It's like being a superhero of cleanliness. Let's organize a family game night. Pick out our favorite board games or card games and have a fun night together. It's like having a party in our living room. We can help cook dinner with our families. Learn how to make delicious meals and surprise everyone with our culinary skills. It's like being a chef in our own kitchen. Let's help with the gardening. Plant flowers, water the plants, and watch them grow. It's like having our own little green paradise. We can even help take care of our pets, feed them, groom them, and play with them. It's like having furry best friends who love us unconditionally. So let's put on our helping hats and make our homes even happier places. Write down your goals. This year, let's write down our dreams and make them come true. Writing down our goals is like planting seeds of awesomeness. We can create a DIY journal, decorate it with stickers, glitter, and colorful markers. It's like having a secret book of our amazing plans. Let's write down our big dreams and small steps to achieve them. It's like creating a roadmap to success. We can track our progress and celebrate our achievements. It's like giving ourselves a high five for every step we take. Let's draw pictures and write stories about our goals. It's like bringing our dreams to life. We can even share our goals with our family and friends and ask for their support. It's like having a cheerleading squad for our dreams. So grab your journal, your pens, and your imagination, and let's start writing our amazing future. Wow! We made so many awesome resolutions together. I'm so excited to see all the amazing things we'll accomplish this year. Remember, resolutions are like fun adventures, so let's make the most of them. Now it's your turn. What amazing resolutions are you going to make this year? Share them in the comments below. I can't wait to hear all your awesome ideas. Let's make this year the best one yet. Happy New Year, everyone!